Hey guys, this is Jasper Call. If you're watching this video, probably you are someone that planning to start an online business but do not sure that what kind of business model you should go after, whether it is e-commerce or affiliate marketing. In today's video, I'm going to compare between affiliate marketing and e-commerce. What are the pros and cons between these two business model and which type you should go after? Okay, if you are new to this channel, my name is Jasper Kopp. I'm an online entrepreneur. In this channel, I'm going to share about entrepreneur journey of mine and some of the marketing related topics. If you're interested, feel free to hit the subscribe buttons. So before the start, I would like to let you know that at the end of the videos, I'm going to tell you that how you can get the free workshops about one of the business model that I'm going to talk about later. So watch to the end. So let's get started. Let's start to talk about e-commerce. So for e-commerce, the average profit margins for e-commerce is around 10 to 15%. So for an online business, 10 to 15% of profit margin is considered very low. So why the profit margins of e-commerce or dropshipping? Okay, at here I will use e-commerce and dropshipping interchangeably because they are pretty much the same things. So why e-commerce or dropshipping have a very low profit margins? This is because when they are selling a physical product online. So whenever you are selling a physical product online, there's an invisible price ceilings you hit. So meaning a customer will willing to pay there's a max price that or invisible price ceilings that a customer will pay for your physical product. Okay, for example, when you are selling a pen online, you cannot sell it at few hundred or few $1,000s, right? For pen, at most you only can sell it for $1 to $2. Okay, so this is the invisible price ceilings. Okay, and then have to purchase a product first before you can sell it. So before you can sell the physical product, you have to purchase it from your supplier before. Then you are just able to sell it to your customer. So this will have another issue, which is cash flow issues. If you have cash flow, then it's good. If not, it is not that good. Cash flow is something like the blood of the business. Okay, for human being, we need the blood for us to stay alive. For business, business need cash flow to survive. Okay, then inventories. So if you build e-commerce or dropshipping business, you need to manage the inventories. If your inventories are very huge, then you need to rent a store or warehouse to store all your products before you get the customers to buy it, right? So there's another cost, which is the rental of the warehouse or storeroom to store your product. Next is the manual works. So a lot of people may not know, for e-commerce or dropshipping, it is basically you are just bringing the physical business online. Okay, so there are still a lot of manual works that many people may not know. I know all this because I have some friends doing e-commerce, and I also do a lot of research about this. So what are the manual works that we need to do? Okay, type of the manual works include the transactions. Each of the transactions, we have to click the manual approve buttons before we can proceed to the next step. Okay, whenever we receive the order, then we also have to manually pack the product and then fill in the address of the buyer and manually ship them to your customer. Okay, all these are a lot of works. And then we have also not only this, we also need to do customer service. Okay, try to imagine not all the product that you receive from suppliers are in good conditions. Okay, some of the product may be damaged Okay, all this you have to deal with. So okay, for example, if you are selling some t-shirts or shoes that have size, when your customers receive the size that not fit them, so they will raise the concern to change the products. All these you have to deal with, so there are a lot of works. Okay, try to imagine how many customer service you need. If you allow around 10 transactions, you have 10 transactions per day. What if there are 20, 30 or 50? So so the manual works is a lot. This is one of the biggest disadvantage of this e-commerce or dropshipping. Okay, so because for an online business, this the manual work should not be so much, because many of the process should be automated, right? So this is the nature of the e-commerce and dropshipping. So because of the low profit margins, in order for you to make 10k per month, you need to sell around 30 to 50 units per day. Okay, try to calculate. If 30 units, you times 31, so you need to sell 930, around 1000 units per month, in order for you to scale up the business to make 10k per month. So this is a lot of units, right? So try to imagine, if you sell this much of units, there are a lot of customer service and a lot of manual works you need to handle. So you cannot it is pretty impossible. It's nearly impossible for you, one person, to handle all this. So in order to scale up your business, you have to hire a decent size of employees or build up your team. You need to have some people that specifically do the customer service. Okay, some people do the shipments, all these things. Next is the Payday. So for e-commerce or dropshipping, you have no choice, but you have to use Payday. You must, because if you are not using Payday, it is very hard for you to get enough traffic to view and buy your products. Then you cannot convert. You cannot have enough conversions for you to make profits. Okay, I hope this makes sense. So in order for you to scale your business, you have to use Payday. So this is another cost for your e-commerce business. Okay, then next, let's talk about COVID. Okay, this is not for e-commerce or dropshipping. This is not COVID proof. Okay, many of you will ask, right? Hey, I'm doing an e-commerce. It is online. Why it is not COVID proof? Okay, let me explain. If you are doing e-commerce or dropshipping, right, you are still selling some physical products. Whenever you are selling some physical products, the product must be manufactured somewhere in the factories, right? If the cases or the COVID cases of your suppliers country is high, and then your supplier factories was forced to shut down or reduce the manpower in the factories, so your supplies will be reduced, okay, or totally out of stocks. Okay, even if you will receive a lot of orders, but you have no product to sell because nobody is working to produce the product you want to sell. Okay, I hope this makes sense. Then next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. One of the key difference of affiliate marketing with e-commerce is affiliate marketing is 100% digital and do not have a single physical element in the whole sales process. What an affiliate marketer sells is a piece of info in digital form. So it do not involve any of the physical element. Because of this nature, and there is no inventory needed, so we do not need to manage the inventories. Since we do not need to manage inventories, the cost of the rental for the warehouse or storeroom can be eliminated. Okay, so next is high profit margins, because the piece of info that sell by the seller or an affiliate marketers can be very variable. So they can the seller can sell his whole life experience in that piece of info. So the value of the data or info that the seller sell is actually quite subjective. That's why the average profit margins for affiliate marketing is around 40 to 80%. It is very high if compared to e-commerce. Operating costs. The operating cost of affiliate marketing is relatively lower than e-commerce. It is only around $200 per month you needed. So the $200 is needed for your tools or software that need to run your business. Okay, if compared to e-commerce, the costs that need to run the e-commerce are included you need to hire a team, and then the rental cost for a warehouse or storeroom, and also the expensive ads. Okay, so next is the fully automated transactions. Unlike the e-commerce, we need to approve every transactions, right? For affiliate marketings, all these transactions or sales that you make are automated. When anyone that opt in or make the sales, it is automated. The whole sales process are actually the automated. Okay, next is can get to high level income level without hiring people. So because of all these advantages, all these digital informations and the automations, we can get to a high income level only by your own, without hiring any of the people to do all these jobs, because you can do all this by your own and scale your business to a high income level. Okay, I hope this makes sense. And then it is 100% COVID proof, because there is no single physical elements in the whole business process. We do not need to manufacture the knowledge that we have, the data, the information that we share to our customer are not manufactured in the company or factory, right? So it is 100% COVID proof. In summary, affiliate marketing is an easier, simpler, and more profitable business model if you compare with e-commerce or dropshipping. So for me, affiliate marketing is the best business model that available today because of all these advantages, right? So it is 100% digital and can be fully automated transactions and sales process. All these advantages add up together. Affiliate marketing is actually the best business model. If you want to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business, click on the description box below. There's a link. The link will lead you to my website. So you just need to fill in your email address. Then I will send you a workshop for free. A 4 days training workshops, which will guide you through on how to set up the whole affiliate marketing system and what are the common mistakes that you can avoid when you're running your affiliate marketing business. Okay, think that's all for today's sharing. Let me know your thought in the comment box below. What type of business model do you think that is better, and what is your thought? Okay, and if you find you get some values in today's sharings, I appreciate if you can give a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe buttons for my next videos. I will see you again. Bye.